Your dentist can tell you're stressed, even if you never say a word. Because your teeth leave clues: worn teeth, tiny cracks, jaw tension, and morning headaches. It's called Bruxism, clenching or grinding your teeth during the sleep. And the scary part, most people don't even know they do it. Stress and anxiety keep your jaw working all night. But if we catch it early, we can protect your teeth by night guard and simple habit changes. Your teeth were made for chewing foods, not carrying stress.